Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix freezing and glitching issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1: force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen many features. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Check your iPhone storage. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. You can see appears on screen and check iPhone storage to confirm and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is background app refresh off. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap on background app refresh off and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen many features. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all setting, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix freezing and glitching issue on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.